Hello, this is Salil from AdNabu.com. I'm one of the co-founders of AdNabu.com. We make Shopify apps and we have an app for Google Shopping feed as well. Today, our topic is Google Merchant Centers being disapproved due to insufficient contact information. Um, this is sadly a very common error, right? And a lot of customers are affected due to this policy issue. Um, Typically happens when you don't have any contact information whatsoever on your store. This is bad practice in general, right? It's not just a Google Merchant Center specific problem, but they are very particular about it. They earlier were even more strict about contact information. Earlier, Google would require at least two out of three type of contact information. One is physical address, email address, or phone number. So here I have two out of those three available in one of my pages, contact us page. But Google has since slightly reduced the requirement. They now require you can even have a contact us form. You don't have to give out your information or have a link to a social media business information page as well. So this happened as a policy update. This happened last year, July 2021. Um, so nowadays, you should not see this error as much as you used to see earlier. But still, this is one of the leading causes of merchant-centered disapproval, even in 2022. So what can you do to solve this issue? My recommendation would be to simply create a contact us page, right? So you can create a page by going to online store and then on pages. I have already my contact us page created. I'm just going to add my email ID and phone number. If you want, you could have just given a link to Instagram, right? Make sure that this link is clickable. You can immediately go to this particular link as well. It shouldn't be just at the rate, right? For example, a lot of merchants would do something like at the rate salil, right? This is not what you should do. You should ideally paste a link so that customers can click on it and go to the Instagram handle. Hey, I missed a very important thing, which was to have the contact us page easily accessible for customers. So the way to do it is go to navigation on the left-hand side. In the menus, I typically like to add it in the footer menu. Let's click on it and ensure that you have the contact us page that you just created available here. Back to the video. Let's look at this page. It's a very simple page right now, but even this is enough, right? This is my recommended way of solving this issue. You can also have a, um, sorry about that. You can also have a contact us app as well. These are contact us form apps that are available widely in Shopify. You can use that to solve this issue as well. Um, but to be honest with you, don't just do a single contact information and um, assume that Google will approve your merchant center, right? Give a little bit more data, right? It builds trust not just for Google, but for your customers as well. If I am looking at a store which has very less contact information, it is giving me a signal that there's something sketchy with this website. There's something wrong with this store. So be a little generous in giving out data and hopefully avoid all of this error, in particular, insufficient contact information for your merchant center in future. That's all from me today. Hope you guys liked this video. Let us know in the comments. Do subscribe for more such videos. We would be doing more videos around Google Merchant Center, as well as some videos around Shopify backups as well. That's a new app, Vault, and we will be covering some of the topics for backups as well. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.